better under you. I can't lose when I'm with.
Hi besties, welcome back to my YouTube channel. I'm happy to be back and better. And yes, no need for a long intro. And make sure you guys like, comment, subscribe. Hi besties, and I'm back. I just got out the shower, about to head down to the beach. Well, first we gotta make a stop to the stores, and then we about to head down to the beach. So yes, I will see you guys when I get to the stores. But y'all, I took some pictures, some rare pictures, and I think they came out cute. Look. I might post them on my main.
I got them two trying.
We about to try.
Yeah, I got them
the
trying.
pickles with a fruit roll up. Got the pickles right here.
We got these fruit rollers right here. These are
Okay, everybody.
Strawberry blast and berry cool. We don't know which one we gonna get. Wait, do you? Okay, so what kind y'all got? I got strawberry. You got berry.
I got berry.
I got strawberry.
Okay, we about to try it, y'all. So we all about to get a pickle. Everybody get pickles. Everybody get a pickle.
Girl, you gotta do your fruit roll up first before you get your pickle.
Oh,
Okay. Actually, no, it's not. Hold on.
you probably opened it wrong.
No, she didn't. She just gotta lift this up. Oh, wait. Okay, yeah, this one is messed up. Okay, wait.
Okay, y'all. The glasses, my black glasses.
Okay, I got mine open.
Y'all feel so good out here.
Alright. It does.
It do right.
You stay ruining yours. I'm talking about you. God. My hands feel so sticky. Okay, I got it all. Alright, Deja, pickle, hurry up, get a pickle. Pickle. Yours neat-ish.
For me, yeah.
That's all I
Hey,
hear.
say hi to my vlog. I can't see y'all.
I know, cause we ride a sign, so.
Yeah. Can't really see y'all. But yeah, it's so beautiful.
I'm
out
definitely
here. Come on, let's go. It looks so yummy. Say hi to my baby. You're trying to see what's up. Ski.
We go all the way out there. Your ass